strongly believe in education, that it is the biggest liberator of people, of the poor. We strongly believe that only a well-educated, professional set of individuals in this country can create wealth and bring prosperity to this nation. So we wanted to anchor that in the minds of not only the politicians, but the ordinary people. Because what troubles Engineer Kiley and myself is to see how much people have lowered the value of education. In this country, they celebrate the corrupt. They celebrate, even better, the most corrupt. And those most corrupt people, a good number of them, are semi-educated. And the first thing they kill when they have power and authority is to kill education. And we want to emphasize that the fact that Andrew Kiley and Kande Yumkela decided to go into politics does not make them any less professional anymore. He's an engineer, I am an economist and a development expert. We will never.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Get on! Get on!
Being here with you, and we will never stop going to university campuses and schools, because we want to bring education back to where it should be and what we benefited from. I'm very proud of my Jarlath University heritage. As Professor Meadow has said, I, amongst a few in this country, had the best of the educational system here. I was a top student at CKC, plus a senior prefect. Yes, I was always a Deansley student at Jarlath University.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Maybe by now, but Prof will tell me, maybe somebody has broken my record. But my record at Jarlath University College is that for straight 3 terms, first term, second term, third term, first year, I was only 5.0, nothing less.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Somebody broke that record by now. But what am I trying to say? Being top of the class was not enough. I was also very political. I was always helping to organize demonstrations when we didn't have electricity, good food, or our allowances and scholarship. What am I saying? I was still a political activist. I was also very good in athletics. 400 meters, 800 meters, the 1 mile. So when I jog today, as a 50-something-year-old, people wonder, why in a jog? I say, because I'm in a jog from administration building, Najala, till I go down na junction, and Naka back go right hand. So about 4 miles. Yes, that's on a good day when I have studied well. Just to relieve tension, I do 4 miles. Jarlath University gave me a holistic education. It was not just academics, but I had the best professors. Professor Bimba taught me. It was very tough. I wasn't very good in his class because it was too much calculation. Only the smart people could cope with his class. Yes, I had good professors, but Jarlath gave me a holistic education. We were active in politics because we wanted something good for our country, even though we were 18 years old. Yes, we were part of the 1977 no college, no school, saying no to the tyranny of the APC, and we never stopped. Jarlath gave me also a sense of responsibility. Very quickly, I was in student government, and I realized how tough that is, to provide selfless service to others while they were studying or having fun. We were in Freetown negotiating for scholarships or more fuel so that we could have electricity, or fighting for the professors. if their condition of service was not good. But yes, already at 18, 19. And sometimes fighting amongst ourselves too. But some were more radical, some of us were in the middle, some were more conservative. Sometimes you get into trouble even with your colleagues. But yes, for 4 years, Jala taught me what responsibility meant, what it means to make a sacrifice for what you believe, even when the APC would send down dogs and the SSD to beat us up. We were always ready to stand up for what we believe the nation should be like. Today we are here, middle-aged man and my senior brother Andrew Kiley, to talk to you about the future. Your future. Your future. We are in politics for you. I'm being very frank with you. Andrew Kiley and I don't need politics. What we need now is a comfortable life. Our kids are grown up. We are professionals. We can put bread on our table. We are not hungry to have 50 houses. We are not hungry for 50 houses. Because why? The wealth we have is the knowledge we have, is the professionalism we have. It is not money. It is not 20 buildings. Our ambition is to give back to you